Let's start drawing a complete sketch, but before we do that, let's focus on some of the elements in the Sketcher workbench. So at the center of the screen, there are two intersecting lines in the yellow color, and there's an alphabet V to the vertical line and H to the horizontal line. So what are those things? If I go on the left hand side of the screen and expand on the part body folder, there is Sketch 1, and we are currently working in Sketch 1. And if I expand on Sketch 1, I get three options. I'm going to go and hover over absolute axis. And when I do that, the yellow horizontal and vertical lines on the center of the screen highlight. If I expand on absolute axis, I get three options: the origin, H direction, and V direction. The H direction and the V direction are the horizontal and vertical directions. And what is the origin? So if I hover my mouse over the origin text, the center point where the horizontal and the vertical lines meet highlights. Think about this origin as the big bang of the CATIA universe. It is the starting point where x coordinate equals 0, y coordinate equals 0, and z coordinate equals 0. All the other elements on the screen, such as these line segments, are floating somewhere in space and their coordinates are unknown. When we start drawing a new sketch, we want to start it from the origin point, so everything is constrained with respect to location coordinates. So let's get started. This time around though, I'm going to use the profile tool instead of the line tool. I'm going to double click on the profile tool to select it, and I will start drawing my sketch from the origin point. The benefit of the profile sketch is that as I draw this line and I terminate it at this point and start drawing a different line segment, it allows me to create joint entities or joint line segments. So I'm going to just keep on going with my sketch design, and also notice that as I am creating the sketch, CATIA automatically is adding relationships to the sketch. So when I close the sketch over here, you will see that there is a horizontal relationship, a coincident relationship, a vertical relationship. And if I'm unsure of what relationship it is, if I just hover over my mouse on that particular relationship, CATIA will tell us what relationship it is. So the O in this case is a coincident relationship. There are a lot of unwanted elements on my screen, so I'm just going to go and delete them. I'm going to go and delete this independent line segment and also these ones.